Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain what Revit is and what BIM is in a simple way. Revit is a software used for building design and modeling. It is used in the BIM process. BIM stands for Building Information Modeling. In Revit, we can create 3D models and also generate drawings such as plans, sections, and sheets. In this session, I will give a basic introduction. In the upcoming videos, I will explain all topics step by step in detail. This presentation shows the roadmap of complete Revit MEP series. So we'll learn all these topics in upcoming days. Thank you for watching. I will share more Revit tutorials in upcoming videos. Please subscribe to my channel and support me. Thank you.